Hello, Miss Pusulubia. Kumusta ka naman ngayon?
I'm good. Thank you so much to my supporters. Thank you so much, guys, to my family. Thank you so much.
So I guess you're now ready to answer your question. You may now pick your judge name. And you pick Judge Miss Abigail Gas Lopez. Hello, ma'am.
So, my real question is, what do you think is or what social norm do you know that you have broken or challenged, and why would you choose to broke it? Or do you know that you have broken or challenged, and why do you think you have to challenge or broken?
Thank you so much. The discrimination against our community. It aligned with my advocacy with PWD people what's the major factor was the discrimination against them. I want to be their voice, not only their voice, but also to advocate for those people who cannot even advocate for themselves. Thank you so much.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. We have Ian Mendoza.
You look so lovely tonight. Okay, so the 100 Islands is one of the most famous destinations here in Pangasinan. If you are to name one island, meaning you will make a name for one island, what name is that and why?
To name one of the 100 islands, I would name it Orduha. Because as Pangasinan, we are born with resilient spirit and heart of a warrior. Fiction or non-fiction, Orduha has been a symbol of strength, courage, and determination that defines us as Pangasinan. And I want this quality for us, Pangasinan, to be recognized that we are strength, we have the courage, and we have the purpose. And I am ready to show the universe the best of Pangasinan.
Alright, I want to thank your supporters before you proceed answering your question.
All the way from San Carlos.
Alright, let's get into business. You may now pick your judge's name for your question. Arnold Garcia.
Yeah, it's working now.
How can you be the voice for change?
I will be a voice for change for the women of Pangasinan by being an inspiring person. Through my life experiences, I would just like to share with you, I am a medical student, but at the same time I'm joining this pageant. Being a medical student is already having that notion that it is already full of demanding time schedules, but I am here standing in front of you sharing my advocacy of access to affordable healthcare because I believe it is okay for women to pursue things simultaneously, especially if those are the things that they are passionate about. And I can be a voice of change, proving that women do not have to isolate themselves in one place where they are destined for greatness. Thank you.
How are you feeling tonight? You look great.
Thank you so much for the compliment. I'm so excited and enthusiastic for tonight's show.
Alright, who's excited? I'm excited to hear your question as well. And who's your judge? Okay. You chose Miss Chrisha Margaret Galicia.
Cultural awareness. In line with Pangasinan's rich culture and heritage, we are very much proud of.
You didn't know.
Your question is,
a Muslim. So it is part of my cultural background as a Muslim woman. And I am here in front of you today not wearing a hijab, but yet an empowered Muslim woman. My religion has shaped many of my values and principles as a woman. And I am here standing in front of you, not scared to show who I am, what I can offer, and not scared to break stigmas, yet still be respectful of my own culture and traditions. Thank you very much.
Hello, Mr. Sol.
Hello, good evening Pangasinan, and of course good evening to my supporters all the way from Quezon.
Alright, so now ready for your question. You may now pick your judge name for your question. Miss Mad Square.
I love your gown.
Thank you.
Beautiful and only in that yellow gown. So anyway, here's your question. It's so easy. What or who inspired you to join this most prestigious Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan?
The most is my mother. She is the true reflection of a woman with a heart of gold and yet still strong. She taught me the values of being strict yet kind, to show empathy even if the world is full of negativity, and to look through the lives of others to their perspective. And if we treat each other with respect, love, and empowerment, we will create a future that is very bright for the future of Pangasinan. Thank you.
Ms. Ordinata, I will also give you a chance to say hello to everybody supporting you right now, whether they're watching live or they're here in the venue. Good evening, Universe, and good evening, Pangasinan. Thank you so much for supporting me and for being here tonight. All right, are you ready for your question? You can choose your judge. Your judge is Miss Alexi Brooks.
As a candidate of Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, what do you believe holds greater significance? The moment before the crown where dreams are realized, or the reign after where responsibility begins, and why?
Where you realize your purpose when joining a pageant. You cannot join a pageant without purpose, because this is a platform where you advocate for causes that could help address the issues of our society. This is our job as beauty queens, and that is why I'm standing here right now, fighting for the advocacy that I have, which